Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an animated progress bar to your video with Filmora 11. Okay, so this is very easy. Just make sure that you have Filmora 11 on your computer. Okay, so I'm going to put the link in the description for you to download the program if you want to upgrade to the latest one. Alright, so let's go to my computer screen. Alright, so now I'm inside Filmora 11 and I have a bunch of different clips here in my media folder. By the way, I'm going to use any of them. Okay, just drag and drop the video here. And for example, I'm going to hide all these things, and also I will mute the audio first. And let's play. Okay. So there are some workers in my house because I have just redecorated my house. Okay. So we can put the progress bar right here at this position. By the way, we want to create the progress bar first. So we can go to the effect tab right here and then find the timer folder. Okay, so remember to find this one. We have 50 different timer here. By the way, not all of them are free. So you want to make sure that you use only the free timer. Just click here, and now we have a bunch of different progress bar here. For example, I can use this one, progress bar number 8. Just drag and drop it onto the timeline, any position, at any position. Okay, and just put it here, and let's play. And now if you want, you can customize the progress bar also. For example, this little dots, green dot here, and also the text here also. To do that, all you need to do is to double click here at the effect on the timeline. Okay, just double click, and now you have the progress bar number 8 customization. Okay, for example, we can change the speed. By the way, we want to keep it at 1x, meaning 100%. Okay, and for the position, we can adjust the position to any position on the screen. Okay, but for now, I will not change the position of the progress bar. I just need to customize the color here. For the text color, if I want to change it to different color, I can click here at this drop down menu and select more to select different color. For example, I can select red, for example. Okay, and let's click OK. And for the background, this one, the white, if I want, I can change it to different color also. But now I will keep it white. Okay. And for the bar color, you can change to different color if you like. Maybe red will be okay. So we're going to select more and select red, so it will have the same color with the text. Okay, and let's click OK. And we can click OK for now. And now we need to export this progress bar because we have the effect here. We can only add transition effect to this one, but we cannot add animation or motion to it. Okay, so I'm going to hide the video here on the timeline and press X on my keyboard to select this portion only. So I will export only the effect. Okay, and let's click export. And now we need to select this one, GoPro Cineform, to export a transparent background. Okay, and now we have the progress bar, but we need to go to setting. Just click here and then select this option, CFHD alpha. Okay, and select the best video quality. Let's select here, and then we can click OK. And now just export it and wait a few seconds because it will be very fast. Alright, just click here, open the folder and bring this to Filmora or import it to Filmora. Okay, just put it here on the timeline. And now let's go this one, and now we can delete the effect on the timeline. Okay, and then you can press Shift X to get rid of the selected clip. Okay, and here's a progress bar. Let's turn on the video. Very nice, right? And now we need to adjust the position of the progress bar and also add some animation effect to it. Okay, to do that, we can just click it at the preview window, the progress bar at the preview window. Okay, and now we want to move it to here, and maybe you can resize it also. Alright, and now you want to add the animation effect to the progress bar video. It is very easy. Just double click at the progress bar video on the timeline. Okay, just double click and then select animation. And now you can select a preset or add a customized animation if you want. By the way, we are going to select the preset, and now we can select this one, vortex in Okay, just double click to create keyframe. Okay, and let's click OK. And we may need to adjust the keyframe a little bit so it can appear faster. Okay, and here's the final result. Let's play it. Very nice, right? So that is how to add a progress bar to your video with Filmora 11. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.